Hi everyone, welcome to my video presentation, and I'm Yiting. And then this is our business, homey and warm cleaning. So as you guys can see, this is a cleaning services. And then these are the part that I will presenting later, which is intro, business background, human resources department, administration department, sales target, and financial plan. So let's go. So now I would like to briefly explain about our business overview. So homey and warm cleaning service are focused on affordable, reliable, and basic house cleaning service to the residents in Semenyih. The services that we provided such as cleaning bedroom and cleaning the kitchen. And our service fills a gap in this low competition area where few professional cleaning services currently operate. Well, Semenyih is a growing residential hub with numerous new developments, including Eco Hill and other housing projects such as Eco Majestic and Diamond City. And we are proud to support the current trend of youth entrepreneurship, a movement encouraged by MDEC, IBC, and the BEP initiatives under relevant government ministries. And we also have a creative idea. Then at this part, later my friend Kowa will explain about it. But I can let you guys know it. In this idea, we can let our consumer to have a more convenient booking and more good promotions in our services. And to realize our vision, we're applying for a 19,000 loan from Maybank and then 10,000 from our own personal savings. And our loan will be used for the down payment for a business vehicle, modification of the vehicle to store and transport cleaning equipment, initial marketing and branding. Yes, I would like to deeply explain about our business background. So as you guys can see, we have our business name, the address, the phone and the fax, the ownership type, which is a sole proprietorship, which means we just have a single owner. We didn't have the multiple owner in our business. And our main activity will be house cleaning services such as kitchen, living area, bathroom, and bedroom. And our start date will be start at 15 May 2025, and our registration date will be 1st June 2025. And we also have our registration number and our capital, money, and the internal and external source of our loan. And then we have also our bank name and the account number. And why we chosen Maybank as our banking services? Because Maybank, the loan repayment period and the monthly installments can be adjusted according to the borrower's financial capability. In addition, the loan amount can be tailored to current needs. Then next, I would like to present about our human resources department. As you guys can see, this is our payroll system, which is our employee salary or compensation table. So I will briefly introduce our 6 workers, which is we have 1 general manager, 1 accountant, 1 operations supervisor, 2 cleaners, and 1 material supervisor. And for a better clarification, we also have listed out their gross salary, their deduction, such as KWSP and Percasol, and the total deduction, and finally their net salary. So every amount, every fees, we also have the clearly to list out. So this helps us have a more clear clarification and the mind to our salary and the deduction. Then next, we have our employee benefits and incentives. So first one, the EPF contribution, which is also defined as Employees Provident Fund. mandatory under EPF Ordinance 1955, employer 12% and employee 11% of monthly salary. Then, leave benefits. So basically, it's based on year of service, which included annual leave, sick leave, rest leave, and others. Also depends on the situation. And then last but not least, the social contribution, which is the Social Security Organization, which required under Social Act 1969, and the employer have 1.25% and the employee has 0.5% of monthly salary, which covers worker compensation, the insurance. And then next, we have also our job descriptions and the task specifications. As you guys can see in this table, which is our fundamental components of human resources. So for the fundamental components of the human resources, which is also named as HR, is the skills and experience, and which is important is the employee skills and experience are crucial in service business to enhance service quality and reduce the waste of employee energy and materials. And the business have 5 employees who possess skills in their respective fields. And the requirements is the employees must have skills in basic house cleaning skills, and the employee should have at least 3 years of experience in the cleaning field. I would like to explain about the operational task specifications. So as you can see, for the cleaner 1 and the cleaner 2, their task specification is the same, which is doing the cleaning services such as kitchen, living room, and bathroom. And for the material supervisor, which is able to selecting the high quality of the cleaning materials. So for our administration department, I'd like to start from our startup cost and the furniture cost. So for the startup cost, we have clearly listed out anything that we need, such as GDR license, the PBT license, service training, uniform, general shopping, and the total was 44410. Then for the furniture cost, we have such as tables, chairs, the file cabinets, and the total will be cost 2,800 ringgit. Then next, for the cost of office equipment and the raw material cost and the equipment cost, well, in the cost of the office equipment, we have like air conditioner, the computer, printer, and phone, and its total cost 7,900 ringgit. Then next, for our raw material cost for the month of May, which also means our business start date, we spend a lot in our cleaning materials such as buckets, gloves, mask, mop, spray bottle, and it costs us 240 and 14 ringgit. Then for the equipment cost, we have our robot vacuum cleaner, the high pressure water jets, which is some of them are from our own savings, some of them are from the loan, and which cost us 5,044 ringgit. Then for the overhead cost, such as vehicle, furniture, office equipment, means that the total that we mentioned just now is cost 4,937 ringgit. Then for the other costs, such as like maintenance costs, the diesel and the toll, the promotion, the premise rents, for the monthly estimate is 6,895 ringgit. And then for the total of which means the annual estimate is 82740. Then next, let us go through to our sales target. Since there, for now, we just mainly focus on 4 types of the cleaning services, which is the kitchen cleaning, the living room cleaning, the bathroom cleaning, and the bedroom cleaning. And we also have calculated their final sales targets of 1 year. For the kitchen cleaning and the living room cleaning, their final target is the same, which is called total 277,955.69. For the bathroom sales target, which is 366,954.31 ringgit. Then last, for the bedroom cleaning, which is cost 305795.26 ringgit. Now done with the sales target, let us move on to our financial plan. So we have also did our business capital requirements, such as our administrative plan is cost 45110, and then the operational plan is cost 44690. The marketing plan is cost 200 ringgit, and the estimated cost is cost 10,000 ringgit. So it total sum of 100,000 ringgit. Last but not least, I would like to explain our profit targets. So for the profit target, we did an assumption for our business in 1 year. So since we start our business in May, so the last month will be the April. So as you guys can see, for the first of the few months, our profit target are not quite higher. But we believe that since after a few months, more of the consumer, they familiar to our brand, and then they have more trust to our services. And Semennya is not a quite big area. We believe that the people who trust our brand and our services, they will also introduce and let their friends, their families know about our services. So that's why if start from October and November, our sales started increase. Especially in Malaysia, we have much events like Raya, Deepavali. So in these much events, most of the families, they also require for the cleaning services. Then the total of our profit target in 1 year for homey and warm cleaning service, which is total 444,711.86 ringgit. So that's all for my presentation. I really appreciate for your watching. And I think some of you mentioned that most of my part is related to the numbers, which is like financial, the profit, the sales. And I think that's why I'm a Chinese. Yeah, I really hate this stereotype. Why they think that Chinese are very good at maths? Never mind. I really thank you for your watching, and I hope you enjoy my presentation and think that our services is good. So thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.